Good morning everyone, how are you? Today we're going to do what I think is a fun activity. We're going to grow grass heads. What you will need for this is plastic cup, a saucer, some lawn seeds, some soil, a glass of water, and a texture. Now the first thing we do is take our plastic cup and we draw a funny face on it. Like so. Next, we take our plastic cup and we fill it up with soil till it's about 1 centimeter from the top, like so. Oh, there's a bit of a lump there. Place your cup on the saucer. Get your grass seeds, any grass seeds will do. Sprinkle grass seeds into the cup. Now you can be quite liberal with the grass seeds and you should end up with something that looks like that. Small handful of soil, put it on the top very lightly. That'll do. Now, this is the secret to it. When you finish this, damp it down with some water. Place in the sunshine for 6 or 7 days and check that it's damp every day. If you do this, you will have a wonderful grass head. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we hope to see you all back soon. Bye.